fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel or whatever. So in this tutorial, you already know, I'm going to show you my first time installing WAVY Goddess LOCS. So I have 3 packs here, but I just installed 1 pack. It's 36 pre-looped strands. So I'm 5'1" and it hits me right there. Like, I guess it is armpit length for me. So this is very light. I cannot tell y'all how light it is. And I'm just done with one side of my hair, as you can see. And for the blue strands, I got the Goddess LOCS, and this was 18 inches well. And this is going to be my accent color right here. Like I said, very lightweight and curly. I'm already giving a review on this hair because I can just feel how light it is. And you know, I was blown away how easy it was to install. So if you're new to crocheting hair and you've been contemplating on doing it, I would say do it because I feel like this is going to be a great turnout. However, like I said, this is my first time, so I did not do skinny braids. I have really thick hair, so I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I would say about 9 or 8 braids in my head, and it's like big braids or whatever. And as y'all can see, I covered up half of it. So what I did with the ends, I braided 3 on this side, braided 3 on this side, and it came down to 3 in the center. And then I took my crochet one, and it was the last braid, and I looped it up and down until I had a little bit of hair sticking out, just a little bit. But I left it there so that way, because like I said, since it's my first time doing it, I want to be able to make sure takedown is going to be simple and easy. This is how I do. Close the latch. Take your braid. Looks like this. Oop. Looks like this. I go ahead and stretch it out a little like that, because sometimes it's too tight. Make sure you close it before pulling it back. Take it out. Take your fingers. It'll go by quick if you keep your hands on it the entire time.
fingers. Fingers. Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Fingers. Fingers. Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers. Fingers. Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Fingers. Fingers. Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers. Fingers. Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Fingers. Fingers. Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers. Fingers. Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down?
Hey y'all, so this is the finished look. I just put this up here just so y'all can see the different styles. Even though this may look ridiculous or whatever, I just wanted to, you know, show you different styles. So This is it down. As you can see, this is the hair down, and this is how I've been wearing it. I've been wearing it on this side. I'll pull this back like so, or whatever. Did I wear it on that side? Yes, I did. Okay, I think I did. Anyway, no, I had a few of these down, and I had this down. Anywho, honey. Okay, so I had it like something like this or whatever to cover up like that. I did the, you know, big braids or whatever, because I didn't want it to appear like crochet in a way. But I love it. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. This is it, and I love it. It's very lightweight but full at the same time. Yeah, so like I was saying, I'll show you the back. Right here. This is the back. And you can wear it from either side. It's going to get better as I go. I said next time I'm going to do smaller braids, and I'm going to do them closer together. But for the bigger braids, I feel like this wasn't half bad, because I did like some braids that was kind of like shortcut like. Then when I had like gaps or whatever, I did do like, let's just say I want to wear this like this or whatever. You know, I would take my braids, I would say finesse it in a way where you're hiding these spaces. Like, that's why I throw it over, and then I fill in the space. That's why I specifically I specifically filled in spaces where and just kind of molded it in a way where I knew I was going to wear it, and I did it on several sides or whatever. I think I did it here as well. But anyway, you get the gist. You get the gist of everything. Then I crisscrossed to bring this closer. I did it right here in the center, so that's why it looks like a hump here, because I did that purposely, because I didn't want it to be in the center of my head, a gap right there, because I already knew I was going to do, I wanted the volume to be right here, so that way it's not laying flat, and I can pull it back and everything will be all good. And once you get it into a shape or whatever, like let's just say once I have it into a way I'm going to wear it, it normally doesn't fall out of place. So that's really good, if that makes sense. So, you know, I had my hair the way it was, besides, you know, pulling it up on my shoulders, and this didn't fall at all. So yeah, girl, you know, I've been loving it. Y'all, I added the rest of the charms and everything. So comment down below, let me know what you think, and let me know what other crochet hairstyles you would like to see in the future, because once I wear this, I'm gonna wear it for like 3 weeks or so, and after that I'm bringing it down. Let me pull it into a ponytail. Ooh. Let me pull it into pull it back for y'all. So let's see, pulling it back. Okay, make sure you subscribe, turn your notification bell, because I'm gonna keep bringing you these beauty videos. Okay. Like, be smart. Let me quit. So I love y'all, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.